Pension is a prominent Danish pension fund, responsible for managing approximately $25 billion in assets on behalf of its members. Recently, the fund made headlines with its announcement to divest its entire holdings of U.S. Treasury securities, valued at around $100 million. This decision reflects growing concerns about the sustainability of U.S. government finances and the associated credit risks. Pension's move signals a shift in sentiment among international institutional investors regarding the perceived safety of U.S. government debt. Pension is a Danish pension fund responsible for managing a substantial portfolio valued at approximately $25 billion. As a major institutional investor, the fund carefully allocates its assets across a diverse range of investments to ensure long-term stability and growth for its members. Among its holdings, U.S. Treasury securities have traditionally played a significant role, representing a safe and liquid component within the overall portfolio. The fund's decisions regarding these assets are closely watched by the financial community, as they can signal broader trends and investor sentiment toward U.S. government debt. Pension, a Danish pension fund, has announced its intention to sell its entire holdings of U.S. Treasury securities, valued at around $100 million. This divestment is scheduled to be completed by the end of January 2026. The decision reflects the fund's growing concerns about the sustainability of U.S. government finances and the associated credit risks. By withdrawing from U.S. Treasuries, Pension is signaling a shift in its investment strategy in response to changing perceptions of U.S. fiscal stability. Pension's decision to divest from U.S. Treasury securities is rooted in growing concerns over the sustainability of U.S. government finances. The fund's leadership has highlighted rising government debt and increasing credit risks as key factors undermining confidence in U.S. fiscal policy. Recent developments, such as Moody's downgrade of the U.S. credit rating, have intensified these worries, signaling to investors that the long-term outlook for U.S. government debt may be less secure than previously assumed. This move reflects a broader reassessment among institutional investors about the safety and stability of U.S. sovereign bonds in the face of ongoing fiscal challenges. Rising credit risks and ongoing fiscal policy challenges in the United States have become a significant concern for institutional investors like Pension. The Danish pension fund cited the unsustainable trajectory of U.S. government finances as a key reason for its decision to divest from U.S. Treasury securities. Recent developments, such as Moody's downgrade of the U.S. credit rating, have highlighted growing worries about increasing government debt and policy uncertainties. These factors have led investors to reassess the perceived safety of U.S. sovereign debt, signaling a shift in global confidence regarding America's fiscal stability. Anders Schelde, Chief Investment Officer of Pension, has expressed significant concerns about the long-term creditworthiness of the United States. He describes the U.S. as basically not a good credit, pointing to the country's unsustainable government finances as a primary reason for the fund's decision to divest from U.S. Treasury securities. Schelde emphasizes that these fiscal challenges present rising credit risks, making U.S. government debt less attractive for long-term institutional investors. His statements reflect a growing unease among global investors regarding the stability and reliability of U.S. fiscal policy. Pension has clarified that its decision to divest from U.S. Treasury securities is not directly linked to ongoing tensions between the United States and Denmark regarding Greenland. However, the fund acknowledges that broader geopolitical factors did influence its assessment. While fiscal concerns remain the primary driver, the evolving international landscape and diplomatic considerations have contributed to the overall decision-making process. This nuanced approach highlights the complex interplay between financial strategy and global politics. Moody's recent downgrade of the U.S. credit rating from AA to AA1 has sent ripples through global financial markets. This adjustment reflects growing concerns over the United States' rising government debt and ongoing policy uncertainties. As a result, investor confidence in the safety and stability of U.S. government bonds has been shaken, prompting some institutions to reassess their exposure. The downgrade has contributed to upward pressure on Treasury yields, signaling increased caution and a potential repricing of risk among international investors. This development highlights the broader implications of U.S. fiscal policies on global market sentiment. Academic Pension's decision to divest from U.S. Treasury securities highlights a growing trend among institutional investors who are re-examining the perceived safety of American government debt. This shift is fueled by concerns over rising U.S. fiscal deficits, increasing government debt, and recent credit rating downgrades. As more investors question the long-term sustainability of U.S. fiscal policies, the demand for treasuries may become less robust, leading to higher yields and greater market volatility. Such actions underscore a broader global reassessment of risk, signaling that U.S. government debt is no longer viewed as the unassailable safe haven it once was. Following the announcement by Academic Pension to divest from U.S. Treasury securities, the market responded with a notable rise in Treasury yields. The benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury yield climbed to 4.29%, reaching its highest level in 4 months. This upward movement in yields reflects growing investor caution and a reassessment of the perceived safety of U.S. government debt. Such a shift signals that concerns about U.S. fiscal sustainability are influencing investment decisions, prompting some investors to demand higher returns for holding U.S. bonds. Overall, the reaction underscores heightened sensitivity to credit risks and fiscal policy uncertainties in the current market environment. The benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury yield recently climbed to 4.29%, marking its highest point in 4 months. This increase followed the announcement by Academic Pension, a major Danish pension fund, that it would divest all its U.S. Treasury holdings. Such moves by institutional investors can signal concerns about the stability and creditworthiness of U.S. government debt, prompting other investors to reassess their positions. As demand for treasuries decreases, yields rise, reflecting greater caution and a potential repricing of risk in the market. This development highlights the impact that large-scale investment decisions can have on global financial markets. The decision by Academic Pension to divest from U.S. Treasury securities highlights growing concerns about the sustainability of U.S. fiscal policy. As institutional investors reassess the safety of U.S. government debt, this move could signal a shift in global confidence. Rising yields on U.S. Treasuries suggest that investors are demanding higher returns to compensate for increased perceived risk. If such trends continue, the U.S. government may face higher borrowing costs and greater scrutiny from international markets. Ultimately, these developments underscore the importance of sound fiscal management to maintain trust in U.S. sovereign debt. The decision by Academic Pension to divest from U.S. Treasury securities could prompt other pension funds and institutional investors to reevaluate their own exposure to American government debt. As one of Denmark's prominent pension funds, its actions may serve as a signal to the broader investment community about growing concerns over U.S. fiscal stability. If similar institutions follow suit, this could lead to increased volatility in the Treasury market and potentially higher borrowing costs for the U.S. government. The move underscores a shifting sentiment among global investors, who are becoming more cautious in light of rising U.S. debt levels and recent credit rating downgrades. Ultimately, this development may mark the beginning of a broader reassessment of what has long been considered one of the world's safest investments. Growing global concerns over U.S. fiscal management are prompting significant reactions from international investors. Many are increasingly wary of the rising government debt and policy uncertainties in the United States, which have led to credit rating downgrades and questions about long-term financial sustainability. These apprehensions are influencing investment decisions, with some institutions choosing to reduce or divest their holdings in U.S. Treasury securities. As a result, U.S. Treasury yields have experienced upward pressure, reflecting heightened caution and a potential repricing of risk. This trend underscores the broader impact that U.S. fiscal policies can have on global financial markets and investor confidence. Academic Pension's decision to divest from U.S. Treasury securities highlights growing concerns among global investors about the long-term stability of U.S. government finances. This move signals a shift in sentiment, as even traditionally stable assets like U.S. Treasuries are now being scrutinized for credit risk and fiscal sustainability. The fund's actions, coupled with recent credit rating downgrades, underscore a broader debate about the reliability of U.S. government debt in an evolving economic landscape. As institutional investors reassess their portfolios, the implications for global financial markets and the perception of U.S. fiscal policy are becoming increasingly significant.